Good morning. I'm in Nyabuanse and certainly you see me filming this area morning. This is 6:15 in the morning AM. So guys, sometimes when I wake up very early in the morning, I need to run and reach out to my working place because I slept thinking of it. So I had a plan to work today. So that's why I've just woken up very early in the morning and I'm heading to my working place. Sometimes guys, you can see it is like daytime, but I just turned on the night mode, and that's why I can look very clear. You can see from this side the sun is coming from the other side, but it is still dark. If I turn the normal mode, this is how it will look like. So, and this is how I will look like. So stay tuned guys, because we are going to do some of the works, because today I have a schedule and I have to maintain to my schedule. I need to work from this time, latest it will be afternoon, then I'll be leaving to make you a very good video about a certain creator who is very cool. And yeah, that is it. So guys, I'm here and this is the Sunset Cafe, very early in the morning. I've not woken up, so I need to do something here. And this is the place I want to do. I want to connect this water up to this point here, so I need to dig here. So stay tuned guys and watch this video to the end. And I also have a friend of mine. He's here very early in the morning. He's the one who is putting some metals up.
Yeah.
Mark,
morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. I can see you woke up very early in the morning.
Yeah, I want to see this job whether it can be finished today.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Yeah, even me, I'm here. I want to put some pipes up to the point there.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to finish because today I feel like I need to go home. I need to go back home and see some of the things.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, I need to pick the jembe and I need to start working. This house used to be get some tools. Yeah, the earlier the better. So I'm gonna start working from this area here. So this is where we'll be putting another hand wash basin. But this idea came after we have decided other sides where we wanted to. But you see, every day people grow. So we decided that we have to put this hand wash basin here because it can help maybe washing utensils and other things from this side here. So this is what we need to do, so as we wait for the other building to get finished so that we can continue doing the plumbing job. But on top of there, when they will be putting the floor, the slab, I will be there because there are some of the pipes that we need to fix as they put the concrete on the floor. Guys have to climb up here. You know, sometimes I fear heights. You see, wow, this is it. This is really amazing, guys. Wow. And they have really done it professionally. I really like it. I really like it. So one day maybe when I am blessed, I will call these guys to come and help me fix this because I really love how they are doing this thing. Wow, it's so amazing. So guys, I want to show you a few of the things that the plumbing will be needed to be done from this side. So we will be having, because this will be a house, and we will be having another floor up here because we will be having another floor on top of this. So we will have the waste pipe, the 4-inch waste pipe. It will run through there and it will come pass through this side here because this is the side where we will be having our toilet. So it will pass through here and we will put the floor trough and another elbow here where we'll be installing our toilet, and then we will put a floor trough maybe to this side here because we will be having a toilet and a bathroom inside. So this is what we will be doing up here later when we will be starting to put concrete on this, because I can see the tying of the metals is almost ready. I can say it is almost ready because everything here, I think it is done, but it needs a few to fill a few metals, so which is really nice. And you can see this place is really done professionally. So this is the job that we will be doing after all this. But we also need water pipes. Water pipes will also come in so that they will have, because this house will be supplied with water. We will need water because this one will be maybe a 1-bedroom Airbnb where somebody can come and relax around here, and maybe this side here it will be a balcony where you see when you are here you can have somewhere to just rest and look at the view and the sunrise and the sunset. So it will be really amazing. So this is what is remaining. That's what I'm waiting for so that I can start putting my pipes. But apart from that, I will be doing a few things, but later in the day I will be visiting one of the creators who I have been wanting to visit, but that will be in the next video. But for today I'm just fixing a few things here and there, and maybe help in any other job that is around. So guys, this is what we have, and this is what we are doing. I'm waiting for Seth to bring some pipes so that we can add to the other side, because we do not have the plan for them. So I gave a quotation where we'll be having those pipes there. So I'm waiting for him to come so that we can start this work. this area because the area the better, right? I really love working very in the morning. So there's one part where it will be a very big challenge, because when they built this side here, they never thought that it will be a tall building and another house will be up. Why do I say that? Because the west pipe, this one here, the 4-inch west pipe, it is on the middle of this, and this is where we are expecting to have this other pipe to come in. So it will bring a lot of challenge, but we will do it. We will do it, and we must fix it until it is done, because this will be like a public toilet. So the best thing is that we have around the two, one of the one is the vent, and another one would be installed with the toilet. But we'll see on what to do about this. I know it will bring a lot of challenge, but things will work out. We will find a way to fix it, because when they started, they did not have this idea of adding another house on top of it. They were just building a toilet. So we will be doing this, and we'll be updating you from time to time anything that we are doing. So these are two pipes. You can see these are two pipes here. These pipes are supposed to go up. This one here, it will be bringing water to the tank. This one pumps water up, and the other one, this will be bringing water down. And this something Osea came up with. It needs to have hot water and cold water. So here at this point here, we will have to cut this side here, and we have the junction made here, so that we can have these two pipes, the cold water and warm water. So we will be building something like a junction here, where this pipe will be supplying water in, and then these two, the cold and the warm water, the pipe of cold and the warm water will join. So it will go up there, and from there it will start now supplying water to all these parts, to the house. But I think we will have different water heaters in different house, instant water heater. So at the house, but we can have one which is supplying warm water to these taps, because maybe there are some people who want to wash their hands with warm water, and it is really good. So we will have to fix, but we'll add more material, because we will need to have another pipe bringing hot water here and the other side, so that the work can be neat. So we'll be doing that, and because I wanted that I have to install the instant water heater in the kitchen, which is supplying water to around 4 parts. This side here, and this side here, and maybe at the kitchen. So it will need a very big one, so that it can be able to operate all those parts. So guys, I want you to stay tuned and continue watching this video to the end. Guys, this is the village, and we really appreciate how you are changing the lives, because I remember this video, this place, sorry, I remember this place when it all started. Nobody knew that it will change to this. Nowadays people are coming and chilling here, maybe taking tea, and there's a business running here. It was just a dream, but through you, the dream has been achieved. I really appreciate you so much, and because you are really changing lives. And also I want to say big shout out to Sister Shupos for your support. You really helped me to be able to make videos comfortably in front of people or around the streets, because of the big surprise that you did to me. Thank you. May God bless you. And I really appreciate it. So this is what we'll be doing today, and we'll be having more. Guys, stay tuned and continue watching this video to the end. And with us here is This is lemongrass. This lemongrass, this one we usually put it in the tea, and it brings very, very nice aroma. And our bananas are still growing. It will be really nice. So the way he said, we'll be having hand wash basin waters running to this area, because we want to make a beautiful garden here, a small garden where we will be having some bananas and maybe any other things around here. So the water will be coming here and be used. We reuse it. We use it to wash hands, and it is reused in these plants around here. So this is so amazing. And we have some of the materials, because the quotation we did, it is not yet be finished going up. So that's why we have this material here. We have not installed the hand wash basins. So the job is continuing. And this one is the binding wire, which is used to tie together the metals that they are using to make the house up there. And this the ballast. Oh my goodness! Wow, wow, wow! Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness! It was almost injuring me. Very, 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 very bad. Oh. This one need to go to. It did not hurt me so much. It's just okay, guys. So that is it, and thank you so much. So stay tuned, guys, and please watch this video to the end as we continue working this way. So stay tuned, guys.
Alianza kumuona mapema.
Yeah, so guys, we are on with the job. So this is the job of today we are doing. And today I'm the top handman to Osea. Osea is a very good mason. You see the way he's making this beautiful wall here. Yeah, man.
Tell me,
Osea,
how are you?
tell me something, man.
I'm good. It's only that I'm trying to rush and catch up with the
In fact, Osea, let me ask you a question. Who trained you? Who trained you to do this? Or what inspired you to start this job of masonry?
Okay. The thing is that actually I was where we were constructing. That's when I learned this work of doing or constructing as a mason. So since that day, it motivated me because it's something good.
Yeah.
And I found it that it was just like a skill to me.
Yeah.
Because it didn't take long, just a few days.
It was like a talent.
It was just like a skill that I had.
Yeah. Okay.
So in a few days I learned. The most important thing is how to just use the plumb pop and other things.
Okay.
And everything gonna be well.
Wow. So the wall is coming out. Man, you can see. The wall is really coming out. Very clean. You see, guys, what I love with Hosea, he has built this, the building that he's doing the other side. It is very, very, very nice, and it has been done professionally. And I want you to remember, he's the only one who did it. You see? So he did not calling an engineer to come, but he has done it, in fact, in a very special way. And I think if one day I'm lucky enough to build my own house, maybe I will call Hosea and come and watch over, because maybe by that time we will be somewhere else so big. But it is better if I call him to come and even see how that job will be done, because I want something good. You know, sometimes the people in the village, they don't build something which is so nice. I can say from my mother's house, these guys never built it well, how it was supposed, because it has taken time, because every time you have to come and you have to destroy somewhere so that you can do it better. So it has taken time. So they did not do it well, but they are known as masonry professional, but they don't do things in a special way. But I really love the way Hosea is doing. You know, at first I never knew that Hosea could build this way, because we knew each other when we were at Ayamara's place, and I was handman. The day I knew that Hosea knows how to build is the day that I was we were building the wall. So Hosea came and started arranging the stones in a very good way, the way it's supposed to be done. Then from there he started building. You know, that's when I knew that this guy, he has a skill in building. But not only in building, he's a very good carpenter. You see? So he has multiple talents. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end, because we have a lot to talk about. Hiyo nyimbo kwa kuweka kwa kona mwino kwanza asira kona mwina yana yote hilo la kona hapo. Hapana. Unachanganya sasa bwana. Sasa unachanganya sasa na Kikisii na Kiswahili. Nilikuwa na upload video nasema niache simu yangu hapa chini. Hata ikikata Asante kwa simu yako, enda nayo. Tafadhali sana. Wapi ile kamba? Leo hapo kabisa. Leo hapo. Oh my goodness. Nini kweli? Bwana mimi ni fundi aina gani kweli? Ndako nishikie kamba pale hivi. Kwa hiyo tafari yenye wazee aliweka huko. Ile mwisho ile nyingine ile. Shikie huko. Vuta kamba, vuta kamba. Hapo. Pole. Teniende ni saa gani kabisa? Toka kwa kazi. Mimi kuna kazi inaweza nishinda kweli. Kuna kazi inaweza nishinda. Niko ndani. Yaani mimi ni nani? Sasa kuna rapi. Watu mnaenda vai. Mwaka kuna Sabasari sana. Haya ni mwa lako. Brand new. I know, guys, you might be wondering. Certainly, you have seen me in a different direction. So, guys, yesterday we were working with Royal Kim, and I could not feel him. So, I have come to show you what I did yesterday after I have finished from Hosea's place. So, I just want to show you here because, guys, I'm on the way going home. I have to go home because there's a few things I just want to go and do before I come back. So guys, yesterday I was doing this. I was helping Royal Kim to fix this fence here. You see, at the other end, and I made this gate here so that you come, push in, open, then see. So this is how it looks like from here. So you just come in. So come in. You see, this manure, the black ones you see, it's manure. So it's trying to make a farm here. We want to plant some kales and any other vegetables from this side because this guy is you want to have some chicks duck, and from here then you look going this way. So we did this job yesterday. So this is what we did yesterday and we finished. So I thought it's good if I show you. So we did this part here. So from here, guys, I just want to introduce some of my friends into the channel so that you can show love and maybe something else. So guys, I really love the compound and I hope one day I'm gonna have something like this. Wow, yes, so amazing. So let's close the door. Let's close the gates. Let's close the gate. So you just push in, then you lock it. Yeah, this way. So this is it. So this is the way. You know, we used to have some kales here and other things. And these are the mangoes we planted. These are grafted. So very soon we are gonna have some fruits from this part here. And this is passion fruit. So this place is really amazing, guys. I really love this place for sure, and that's why I'm thinking that I'm gonna build a cabin at home. I need to have a cabin, and my hair is very brown, but yeah, you know, guys, I love having the hair. So that is it. And this is a small garden. And guys, there's something that we did yesterday. So that you do this. When you come, this is the first thing you see. The sunrise cabin. Wow. So amazing. So it is the same as this part here. The corner of honor. So this is what happens here. And here we have somewhere we can have our nyama choma from this part here. Wow, this is amazing, man. And I have some friends here, and guys, you can see this is the beautiful bonfire. So you can have some friends, you chat as you enjoy the fire. And right there is small coop. We have a small coop here. Wow, it's a small coop here. This is a small coop here. So we'll be having some chicks inside. And we'll be having this the toilet, and it's very nice. And we have very beautiful flowers from this point here. So this is it, guys. So this is the sunset, the sunrise cabin. Wow, so amazing. And this is the window. So guys, this is so amazing, and let me just introduce some of my friends. And this is how we do. Yeah, yeah.
MAKORI 17.
How are you, bro?
Life with MAKORI.
Live with
You will
MAKORI.
keep forgiving me every time because I always forget. I don't know. We had a very huge connection with the name MAKORI 17.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Royal Kim, and the Kim is KHWM. Doing my small premiere here. My brother visited,
Yeah.
so I have some friends around. MAKORI will introduce you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy, bro, that you're here.
Yeah.
Because when I see you, I know work is done.
Work
You
is
really
done.
helped me with my garden back there.
Yeah.
And I know when you come back again, you'll also help me with the rabbit house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rabbit coop.
I'll be on
How do we
Saturday.
call it in English? Is not okay. English is okay, but
Yeah.
sometimes
It is not vegetable.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
For sure. Thank you, bro, for coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I have some of my friends here, and this is
Yes. Big okay, I'm around. Kwani Merara. First I'm sorry, it was just like, oh. But positive vibes always, this being an consultancy from this side. And I'm just chilling like that. You see, I'm just, I was like sleepy but not sleepy. Yes, but I know vibes is always vibing.
yeah.
Exactly.
Na look beautiful, si ndio?
Yeah.
I look beautiful guys. Songeza kamera nyuma ndo nikone mrembo vizuri. Hi guys, Tracy Ann here. And thank you so much, Life with MAKORI, for hosting me in your YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And to my supporters, those who are watching this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And also remember to go check me out as Tracy Ann. And Tracy Ann is capital letter like Kim. And Kim is yeah, like that. So positive vibe always.
Yeah.
Tuko mbele pamoja.
And this young man.
Engineer.
Yeah, this engineer, and he's trying to make something here.
Yeah,
Something
man.
so nice.
See, umetengeneza. Imagine I'm the one who has made this thing.
They know who is,
I'm
who is
the
in
one.
charge.
Yeah.
You are in charge, but I'm the one.
Congratulations,
Who has
Don't
made it.
try
Say me.
Kiza.
Say me.
Yes. Congratulations, Kiza. Bring it to me.
Kim,
Kiza.
who brought us this idea?
No. You came and found me already on the
You
on
were
the ground.
on the ground, but
Yes, but I was. Let me tell
you
you.
didn't have even
Yeah.
the
Let me
idea of
tell you.
using the silos.
Even if you struggle the whole day, finally you'll have to come out with
bila
an
mimi
idea.
ungekuwa na
Yeah.
jamani.
So-
Without me,
No,
I'm saying
without
this.
you, when did you make something like this?
Bana.
Stop lying to
Na
us.
venye I've just
You've been seeing it in the
stop
videos
lying to
and
people.
TVs.
I was
So
more
Kim,
creative
what
than you.
Kiza,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Actually, I think guys, wherever you look at this image,
Yeah.
you can easily tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a guitar,
Yeah.
and
Say konyagi.
I'm trying to
You know konyagi?
make it
Yeah.
so that maybe
Yeah.
because actually this homework, some people might wonder
Good.
why am I doing something like this?
Yeah.
But
Umebakia tu ni bottle. Ile
my
inaitwa
siblings,
bottle
Yeah.
one of my
tufunike
siblings
Afrika mzima.
actually came up to me and told me that
The CBC.
yeah.
You know, guys,
The
here in
CBC.
Kenya we have
CBC
our program, our primary school program changed, and now you have what we call CBC. So CBC people learn
What's
just
CBC?
the
What is
skills.
CBC in full?
so
CBC.
Tell us what CBC in full. That's
That,
our
that, that's
assignment.
that's not a big problem, madam.
That's not a big problem.
Yeah,
That's
CBC.
your
If you
assignment.
say you don't know, then
You
you
want to
get
know
you
from
be
us.
told.
No,
Yes,
that's your big
exactly.
I know.
assignment. You don't
No,
know
no,
CBC in full.
CBC.
Even me, there is a day that I was asked, what is
you
CBC
see,
in full? I
he
didn't
does
knew.
it. No.
Then I was told. So
Ah,
even you,
Giza.
I'm giving.
cornering.
You don't know
around
me.
with that.
You know the problem with
You don't know
is
here.
one.
You don't know here.
Well.
Anyway,
You don't know
kindly,
here. How do you?
don't talk too much. Bring my
Okay, there's no problem. Me, I want to talk.
Yeah.
When you have spoken, give others a chance to
yeah.
speak.
You want
What?
to argue with us and
See, I was just making a video to be so entertaining.
so
it was becoming
guys,
boring.
actually I was saying I'm trying to make this for our sibling because they were sent from school.
Eh.
So that they can come and make a guitar, yeah, so that they can go and represent to school. So I'm trying to make it perfect so that whenever I'll take it back to her, she'll be so much happy.
Yeah.
and congratulate me. That's why I'm working hard over here just to make it to make a dream come true. Yeah. So actually, guys, you're talking with Kiza KE, and Kiza KE always is KIZAH_KE. I'll be so much glad if you go through and subscribe to Life with Makori's channel, and as well, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up kindly. Before you leave out, kindly give the video a thumbs up, and I'll be highly appreciative for that. So let me continue making it making a dream come true. Yeah, because we don't have time. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so guys, this is one of us. Yeah, so guys, I have another lady here. I know you have seen her in several of my videos, but it has been time. So today I just want to introduce her special. So, and remember guys, she's cooking something. Yes. This is Tindi.
Hello. Yes, hello guys. My name is Tindi, and today I'm here in the Sunrise Cabin. Wow. I don't know it was given that name, but here we are, and it's amazing. Today I'm a chef. Have no option. I've just got up with this situation, so I'm just preparing something for other YouTubers, my fellow YouTubers. They just came here to do some stuff, See, my work equipment is here. Yeah. So just waiting for the sun to cool down. Yeah. And first you have to put something in our stomachs.
So that's that's when you have energy.
Yes.
So you want to fuel yourself.
Yes. Content wants you to have that energy and psych too, so to make the video interesting. Yeah. So it's good being here. Yeah. You went lost. I don't remember the last time I saw you.
Even you have lost.
It's been a while. Since I met you.
I've been here like 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
But so I've never seen you.
You've been here at
I've been around.
the cabin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then the other video I saw, it's when you were at Nairobi. So when I came here, I just like, oh my God, so you are here too. Yeah. Yeah. So how is everything?
Everywhere. Everything is good. We are trying.
And guys, let me tell you something. The last time we were doing video with you, he was using his phone, and now someone has improved.
Yeah.
Good. Like, when I get a GoPro.
Yeah.
When I get a GoPro.
Those days.
Yes. And now I think now you're going to do back to back. Yeah. As the way you used to say.
I am working very hard.
Yeah,
even my subscribers can testify that because I work very hard.
But this is good. At least you get that motivation. Yeah. And you can go around the way you were saying, like walking in the streets, doing a video.
Yeah. I even tested in Nairobi.
You weren't scared of like it being stolen?
No.
For me, I've never tried doing a video in the streets. Yeah, but since you have a GoPro, I think you can make that happen, as you used to say.
Yeah. I will always make it happen. Now I don't fear.
Yeah, so guys, I'm Tindi. My YouTube channel goes by It's Tindi. If you want to go see my stuff, you can just go check me out, support your girl. Yes, we just move around, we do village content, a lot of stuff, so you just go check me out, support me, subscribe to that channel. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you guys. And guys, this is it has a very nice aroma.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Even
so
if it's on the
we have some viungos.
Only tomatoes. There is not that much like ginger, gania, coriander, green pepper. We don't have a lot of stuff, but I'm going to try to make it at least tastier.
Okay. Yeah. So Tindi. Yeah, we are around.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. So I'm out of the kitchen. It is the kitchen and the bedroom and the sitting room. Wow. This is amazing, but I really love the cabin. It has a vibe, and you can even see that this guy is sitting on. I've never seen this around. To be honest, wow. Hey, bro.
Yeah, man.
Hey, you have a vibe, man. You always bring new things to the village.
This one has been here for the. Do you know when I have heard this one? MAKORI.
My goodness.
I have heard this since when I started building the cabin. Yeah.
but I've never seen you use it.
It's because Royal Kim has a lot of things. And
Okay.
we're not bragging. We're not bragging. Yeah.
You are not bragging. It's
Yeah.
only that you have. You know.
Yeah,
you know. Sometimes, guys, when you have something, and then maybe you show it,
Even if it's
people
just,
people will start saying this guy nowadays is bragging.
even if it's just a chair.
Even if it's just a chair. Now people will say Royal Kim is bragging. No,
Yeah.
it's not bragging. It's only that he have it.
Yeah, man. I actually normally don't use it. It's always folded and kept,
Yeah.
Sometimes I carry it when I go to the forest alone. I carry it because I can carry it and then I unfold it, I sit down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice. And it looks light.
Yeah.
Right? So you can carry it very easily.
It's for camping.
Yeah.
It's a campus chair.
Yeah.
And it's the same color as my tent.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, bro, I came here. I wanted to tell you.
Yeah.
I'm leaving home. I want to go home.
That
for
was
today.
too fast, but I know you must have a reason.
Yeah.
But you'll be back, right?
I'll be back maybe on Saturday.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Then I know we have some unfinished errands.
Yeah.
And we will do that.
That's okay.
Yeah.
So I really wanted to finish this video from this cabin. You know, I love the cabin, and I have friends from Kisii who always tell me, I watched your video and I saw you in a very beautiful place.
Oh my God.
I told.
They don't have an idea how much
you don't know how you feel when people say something good about your friend.
Wow.
You feel like, wow, I am connected to that. And you know, they want. Do you know how they ask?
Yeah.
How did he build that? That cabin must have cost him millions of money. I usually tell them that's a lot of millions because you know, let us be honest. Something which is
Okay, it's not millions, but it's a lot of money.
it is a multi-million, man. I usually brag about that, and I tell them, you see, I am not somebody that you see around.
Now they are watching and they are hearing that.
Yeah, oh my goodness, guys. I don't know if I will mute this part.
You can
Oh,
Let them just
nimechoma.
we just chuma, but it's okay. It's okay.
But it's okay, but it is very true, and it is very true, guys, you know. The truth is, I am in this compound, and it is very beautiful, and I am able to connect to this compound. I am connected here. Yeah, so I'm not bragging about that, but I'm being true.
Yeah, bro. Wow.
That is it. So, guys, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you as you continue supporting Live with MAKORI and all my friends here. Yeah. So, thank you so much. Keep on supporting our village here and our villager content creators. See you in the next one. Wow.